That is a cute picture.
Okay, open it. Say thank you to...
Thank you to Bobby and Daddy Daddy.
They sent you a box? Wow.
So there's something in it.
Oh, there's something in the box. Oh, okay.
To all my friends. Now who's going to cut it up?
You don't have to cut it, just pull the little tab. It's right here. So pull here.
There's the other box.
Hey, what you got in there?
Oh.
What is it?
And a book.
Oh, an Easter book. And an Easter bunny.
And a big game.
Ooh, a doodle pad. This is so cute.
I want
It's an Easter bag and a lion, see? It's your Easter bag and a lion. See, and you can... And look, you got another box.
Uh-oh. That box open.
I can do it. It has to be taped. No, don't worry. I can untape it. Look at me. Other box. See the other box? What is it? Look.
Pez candy. Sugar, baby. Winnie the Pooh sugar.
Okay, look at the camera.
Katie?
Katie, look at the camera. And say, what do you say?
Happy birthday to all my friends.
Yeah, no. What else do you say? What do you want to say to Bobby and Daddy Daddy?
Thank you for all my friends giving me the present.